Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a few foods that you should stay away from if you want to keep yourself healthy and away from cancer. These foods can have a negative impact on your body and increase your risk of developing cancer. So, let's dive right in. 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is a well-known cancer-causing agent. Consuming alcohol excessively can lead to liver cancer, mouth cancer, throat cancer, and pancreas cancer. 2. Smoking. Smoking is the leading cause of cancer death worldwide. It can lead to many different types of cancer, including lung, throat, bladder, and esophageal cancer. 3. Processed foods. Processed foods are packed with preservatives, additives, and flavorings, all of which can be harmful to your health. They can increase your risk of developing colorectal, breast, and stomach cancer. 4. Red meat. Red meat is associated with an increased risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer. It is also rich in nitrites, which can react with amines in the stomach to form N-nitrosamines, which are known cancer-causing compounds. 5. Steamed or roasted vegetables. Steaming and roasting vegetables do not remove the harmful chemicals present in them. Many vegetables are still contaminated with pesticides, herbicides, and other toxic chemicals that can cause cancer. 6. Fast food. Fast food is often high in processed ingredients, unhealthy fats, and sodium, all of which can contribute to chronic health problems and cancer. So, there you have it. Make sure to stay away from these 6 cancer-causing foods in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle and protect your body from dangerous diseases. Remember, it's always better to make small, healthy changes in your diet than to risk your health by consuming harmful substances.